Here is products unpublished. You can edit, publish, and delete a single product. In the Edit pop-up window, you can modify the product name, edit or modify categories. Modify the product price and delete SKU. If all SKU are set to a uniform price, you can enter the price in batch set price and click setting to modify all SKUs to a uniform price. If different SKU has different price, you need to fill in the corresponding price in the corresponding selling price. All products' price are in US dollars. Click confirm it. And here you can also set categories, release, delete, and price for different products in batches. Select products need to operate. Then click on the corresponding operation. In batching price, we provide two options, proportional pricing and fixed price. Percentage ratio, batch price based on the purchasing price according to the price ratio. That is the product's price equal purchasing price plus percentage ratio. Here you can see all selling price is changed. And the second is fixed price. The price you choose will be the fixed value filled in. You can see the price was changed. Then choose all items. Or just select some you want to publish to your website. Click Batch Publish. It will publish to your website.